we have some exciting updates about the Garmin Fenix 8 smartwatch. Garmin has been known for creating watches that cater to various needs and preferences. We expect the Fenix 8 to continue this trend, possibly offering a range of sizes including a compact version similar to the Vivo Active 4S. One feature we're eagerly awaiting is an improved display screen. The previous Fenix 7 had a touchscreen, which was well received. However, we hope the Fenix 8 will boast an even clearer and brighter screen, making it easier to read maps and enjoy animated visuals. Garmin has a history of innovating and pushing boundaries, so we're optimistic about the Fenix 8's potential features. The company might introduce new technologies or functionalities that will enhance the user experience. With the Fenix series, Garmin has established itself as a leader in navigation and outdoor exploration. We anticipate the Fenix 8 will build upon this reputation, offering more preloaded maps, enhanced storage, and possibly even new navigation tools. Overall, the Garmin Fenix 8 promises to be an impressive smartwatch, and we're excited to see what features and innovations it will bring. The Garmin Fenix 8 smartwatch is expected to come with exciting features. One possibility is a built-in microphone, which will allow for voice commands and calls. Many high-end smartwatches already have this feature, so it would be a great addition to the Fenix 8. We're also curious to see if the Fenix 8 will have a smart assistant or a new innovative feature. Garmin has a history of creating unique and useful technologies, so we're eager to see what they'll come up with next. The Fenix series is known for its excellent navigation capabilities, and we expect the Fenix 8 to be even better. It may come with more preloaded maps and additional storage space, making it easier to find your way around. Another feature we're hoping for is an electrocardiogram ECG sensor, which would allow the watch to monitor heart activity like a medical device. There will likely be several versions of the Fenix 8, including a compact model, a larger one, and a solar-powered variant. However, it's unlikely that Garmin will release a watch with analog hands, as the mapping functionality is too important to sacrifice. Overall, the Fenix 8 promises to be an impressive smartwatch with many exciting features and capabilities. There's been a lot of speculation about the release date of the Garmin Fenix 8 smartwatch. However, the exact date is still uncertain. Based on Garmin's past release patterns, we predict that the Fenix 8 might arrive in late 2024 or early 2025. Unlike companies like Apple and Samsung, which follow a consistent annual release schedule, Garmin's timeline is less predictable. As a result, we advise against trusting anyone who claims to know the exact release date. Instead, we recommend keeping an eye on official Garmin announcements for the most accurate information. Regarding pricing, we expect the Fenix 8 to fall within the same range as its predecessor, approximately $750 to $800. This is based on Garmin's typical pricing strategy for their flagship smartwatches. That's the latest information we have on the Garmin Fenix 8. We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on the upcoming smartwatch. Please share your comments below. Additionally, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos and updates.